Best Big Data Certifications in 2024. Why should you pursue a big data certification? By obtaining a certification in big data, you can demonstrate your expertise and proficiency in handling complex data sets, analyzing data trends, and deriving valuable insights to drive business growth. Data Science Certifications. Certified Analytics Professional (CAP), offered by Informs. The CAP certification is designed for analytics professionals who lead data-driven initiatives in their organizations. Cloudera Certified Professional Data Scientist (CCPDS). This certification from Cloudera is aimed at data scientists who specialize in designing and building scalable data-driven solutions. Data Analysis Certifications. Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. This certification demonstrates your ability to perform data analysis with Power BI. SAS Certified Data Scientist. By earning this certification, you can validate your ability to manipulate and transform data, create machine learning models, and deploy data-driven solutions. Top Big Data Certifications. IBM Certified Data Engineer, Big Data. This certification demonstrates your ability to design and implement big data solutions using IBM technologies. Google Professional Data Engineer. By earning this certification, you can demonstrate your proficiency in designing, building, and maintaining data processing systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a big data certification can be a valuable investment in your career. By showcasing your expertise in handling and analyzing large datasets, you can increase your job prospects and earning potential in the competitive field of data analytics.